All right, guys. Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and I'm looking to sell this Euro USD. So I'm just doing this recording because I want to go out. So I want to set a pending order, understand? So that if the market get to my point of interest, it will just trigger me. I'll be going out now, but I'll set the pending order before I go out. So if the market triggers me, fine and good. Okay. And as you guys know, we have only two trade left to complete our 10 trades, 10 trade setups. So far, we have taken 8 trades and two break even and 6 loss. I think, yes, two break even, 6 loss, no win. So, um, we are going to complete the trade this week so that by next week we'll start a new round. Okay, so I will see you guys later. I will update you guys. Let's see if this trade will trigger me. Let's see. So I will update you guys later. All right, guys. I greet you all. Today is Wednesday, and this is the trade I took yesterday. So I came back yesterday, checked the trade, and I saw that the trade stopped me out. So we are down 7% on the account now. We have taken 9 trades so far on this account, and 9 trade out of the 9 trade, we had 7 losses, and 2 break even. So, and I've seen another setup this morning. This to 11, 10:46. So I'm expecting a sell from this point of interest. This is Euro USD. So let's see how this one plays out. And this is the last 10 trade on the 10 trade we're supposed to take on this account and see if we are going to make 10% of the account or not. So after this trade, I'm going to start the challenge here with another account. Um, then I'm going to tweak some things. I've seen some mistakes on my past trade, so I'm going to try to correct some things. Okay, so but I will do that after the trade has completed, so that before we start the second phase, I will update you guys on what is new. Okay, so I will update you guys. Let's see if this trade will trigger or not. I've already set a pending order on this trade, so I hope it triggers. So I will update you guys. Let's see. All right, guys. This trade has stopped me out. So trades had stopped me out. I was just checking to see if. All right, guys. This trade has stopped me out. So as you guys can see, so this has completed the trade, 10 trades, and in these 10 trades, I lost eight. Eight were losses, then two break even. Okay, so now let me go to my journal. Though I haven't journaled this trade, or let me just do the journaling now so that everything will be complete. 1735. Okay. So as you guys can see, I've taken the 10 trade, which if you look at this number here, you will see that it's 10. 10 trade. And in this 10 trade, we had only two break even. The rest were losses. So this this challenge has ended. So I'm going to add another trade from here and I'll put the date. I'll do this later. So I don't have to do this one now. Here is all the, let me add the screenshot of today's trade too. I was not on this chart when the trade triggered, so I was not able to take the screenshot of the trade like this, like when the trade triggered here, like this third screenshot. I was not able to take it. I take the once I see a setup, I will take the screenshot, then paste it in my journal. Then when the trade trigger, I will take the screenshot. Then after the trade play out, I will take the screenshot again. But today's trade, I was not on chart. I was not on the chart when the market triggered. I've already taken the screenshot of after analyzing the trade. This is the screenshot. But when the market triggered, I was not on the chart to take the screenshots. So I'm going to take the screenshot of this one now that has stopped me out. That is the last one. I'll paste it here. That's how I journal. Can already see Wednesday trade on Euro USD. So this is it. Uh, so here is my rules. Um, here is my rules, and glory be to God, I was able to follow all these rules throughout this challenge. So, and my mistake and correction uh, journal, I had this. I will go through this trade, then I will make another video where I will add some things and remove some things. So I will do another separate video on that. So that is it, guys. So um this first challenge, the first one has ended, and there I won't say that the only progress here is that I was able to follow my rules. I didn't break any of my rules. I was able to follow my rules in this 2 to 3 weeks of trading this challenge. I didn't go against any of my rules. But in terms of the trading progress, I made any progress, considering the fact that I take 10 trade and I was only able to break even on two. The rest eight is losses. So I will see what I will do about it, tweak some things. Like yesterday loss, I was not supposed to take that loss. When I was setting this my rules, I wanted to put um 5 o'clock, as in once it's 5 o'clock, I can't place any trade again. And I've been respecting it, even though it's not in my rules. If you go to my rules, um, to my trading rules, it's not there. But I do follow that rules. I do maintain it. Okay. If you look at from this 1 to 10 rules, there is no way you will see anything like time of entry. But yesterday, I was on this system and I wanted to close this trade when it was already 5 o'clock. But I was busy and I was doing some editing for TikTok video. So it's not as if it's the TikTok editing that made me not to close that trade. You know, at a time I said let me leave the trade, that since this market is coming back, it might just trigger me and go straight to TP. But assuming I put it as a rule, I would have followed that route. I would have just pause everything that I'm doing for just like 5 seconds or 10 seconds and go and close that trade and come back and continue what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to add add it as a rule, you know. So that's my rule. That my trading rules will have number 11 now. So I'm going to do a separate video explaining all this from what I add and what I remove everything. So and I'm going to create another 10K account. So from tomorrow being Thursday, which is our last day of trading, we are starting a new challenge with a new 10K account until I get it right on this demo account. So that is the only way I'm going to buy this prop firm account because it's a funded account. I don't want to buy any challenge phase account. And I've decided to go with 10 trade. Okay. I want to buy a 10K funded account, which will cost me 500 and something thousand. So I wouldn't want anything that will I will be like I'm just throwing away money. Um, just imagine if I was doing this on that my 10K account. Now my psychology would be messed up. Knowing full well that you are about to lose that account if you I haven't lost the account already because I've lost 8% already, you know. So that is it, guys. Um, I will update you guys on the rules and trade everything, how it's going to be, what I changed and um what I removed and what I added. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow.